Do you also want to use Sora 2 completely free? So today, I'm going to share a secret trick with you using which you can generate unlimited videos from Sora 2 for free. And the most interesting part is that you won't see any Sora 2 watermark, and you don't need any card or payment app to access it. You just need to log in, and you can generate unlimited videos. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Open your laptop or PC. First of all, come to the Chrome browser. Now search for Chrome Web Store, then click on Chrome Web Store. After the Chrome Web Store opens, type DeepSider in the top search bar. Below, you'll see the DeepSider AI extension. Click on it. Now click on Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension to install it. Within a few seconds, the extension will be installed. If you see Remove from Chrome, it means the extension has been added successfully. Now click on the extensions icon at the top, pin DeepSider AI, then click on it to open it. You'll see the DeepSider AI interface open on the right side. You can expand it so all the details are clearly visible. Now click on the person icon in the bottom right corner. You'll be asked to log in. Click on Sign in with Google and log in using your Google account. Now click on GPT-4. As soon as you click here, you'll see many popular AI tools like Dream 4.5, Nano, Banani 2, and many more. But today's video purpose is to create videos using Sora 2. So from here, select Sora 2 to 10 seconds. Now in the prompt box below, write what kind of video you want to create. For example, I've added a prompt here. Now press Enter, and the magic will begin. It will start generating the video directly. On the screen, you'll see, Generated video task is processing, please wait. Just wait a few seconds, and your first AI-generated professional video will be ready. Look, the video is ready. A famous celebrity is shoplifting, no watermark, perfectly generated. Now click on the three dots below and download the video using the download option. On this platform, you get 200 credits daily, with which you can generate 3 videos. But if you want unlimited usage, use temporary email. This platform allows temp mail. If you create accounts using 10 temp emails, you can generate 30 videos daily, of 10 seconds each, which is more than enough. And one pro tip, always define the aspect ratio in the prompt. Otherwise, it will select the ratio on its own. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.